Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we are making powdered sugar donut cake. I know. What makes this recipe called powdered sugar donut cake is try saying that 3 times, powdered sugar donut cake is the texture and nutmeg. Most people don't know, but nutmeg is in donuts. I'm super excited. Simple, easy, delicious recipe. The recipe and links to all the products you see us use here will be in the description below. Do us a favor, click that thumbs up button, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. We wish you the happiest, sweetest Valentine's Day. And if you haven't noticed already, we do have a Facebook group called Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Please subscribe, please join. Happy Hearts Day. I'm ready to cook, and thank you for showing such support and love to the Little House of Beans.